Hi, how's it going? This is Kayla from Anima. I'm a designer here on our customer success team, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to bring life to your projects by adding different types of media, like videos, GIFs, and Lottie animations to your Figma prototypes using Anima. To achieve this, we want to get started by making sure we have a frame set up in Figma. The first step is to create a placeholder. This is where your video will eventually be embedded. Your placeholder can be a shape, like a solid rectangle, or in our case, an image. While the placeholder is selected, we will go to the Anima panel under the Prototype tab and select Media. In this window, you'll see a field to insert a URL with a source of either YouTube, Vimeo, Lottie, or GIF. At the top of the panel, there are icons that act as shortcut links to each of these options, so you can click on them to open a new window and search YouTube, Vimeo, Lottie, or Giphy's resources. If you don't have the URL to the file because it's saved locally on your computer, Anima can help generate one for you. To do so, click on the plus icon under Upload File. Your local file directory will then open on your computer. Select your file and click on Open to add it to Anima. From here, your files will appear in a list within your Anima plugin. Click on the ellipsis to see two options, Copy Link and Delete File. If you're happy with your upload, you can select Copy Link and then paste this link in the Insert URL fields above to add your media. You can then select your desired playback settings, like whether you want your video to autoplay or loop. Please note that autoplay will automatically select mute due to web browser restrictions. Once you're finished, click on Save to lock in your changes and bring you back to the Prototype tab in your Anima plugin. You can always go back and edit your media settings by selecting the placeholder again. Now that you've added your media, click on Preview in Browser to see it all come to life. Please note that your video will not play while you're in the Figma prototype and will only play once you've previewed or synced your project with the Anima plugin. And there we go! That's how you add media like videos, GIFs, and Lottie files to your Anima project in Figma. We hope you enjoy this feature, and if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to get more tutorials like this on how to work with Anima. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!